We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradger 5 half-horse garbage disposal and also replacing the waste. We'll look at that in just a minute. So what we got here, existing basket, mounting bracket that was installed was spinning in circles. We went to dismount this and it was spinning, so water was obviously leaking through there. The only thing that we replaced is the disposal. So we got a new, or actually the mounting bracket, brand new mounting bracket, brand new putty, brand new disposal, brand new P-trap, and also an extension right here, and then the 90-degree arm going down. What they had before was the old P-trap sitting over here on the ground here, and then an accordion-style drain line that went from here over to the disposal. We hate those. We don't use those because a lot of debris gets trapped in there. And so brand new trap adapter right here in the back to get you the tubular trap, tubular extension, the arm. So this comes with the disposal, the arm, the bracket, the gasket that's in here, the disposal, the mounting bracket. This is your hose, just reinstalled it, so no big deal there. Right now we run lots of water down it and there is no leaking. And so everything looks good here. Outside of that, this installation is done.